back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, take time to click that bell icon just below on the menu today. We're going to make chicken curry. I've had loads and loads of emails about super fast, easy chicken curries. As you know, if you're regular to the channel, we've made, I don't know, 30, 40, 50 different types of chicken curry. This is a super easy one. We're going to do this in like 20 minutes, I think it takes. We're going to get all our ingredients, chop them up, get it all together in one pot, and then off we go. There's nothing to it. Anyone can do this. Even if you're the worst cook in the world, you can do this one. Let's go. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients that we're going to be using for this chicken curry. So in there I've got about 1.5, 1.4 kg of chopped chickens, like a decent sized whole chicken basically is kind of what I've got there, chopped into kind of equal parts. We've got some tomatoes there, onions. On top there I've got like 2 teaspoons of a garlic ginger paste, which is just a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. Fresh chilies, which is optional as to how many you put in. Salt. We've got a few little green cardamoms and like a teaspoon or so of cumin seeds. Some fresh cilantro or coriander. Some oil. We've got here about 2 very heaped teaspoons of a curry powder. I'll stick a link up at the end for how to make a curry powder as well. All we're going to do is we're going to mix a whole lot together. Oil, cilantro, curry powder, chili, whole spices, salt, onions, garlic, ginger, tomatoes, and whole chicken. So, as you can see, a larger mixing bowl, our chicken's inside, and like I said, we are simply going to just add the whole lot. So, in goes those chopped tomatoes. Try and use a nice juicy tomato. And like I said, that's like kind of 2 medium-sized tomatoes, and about the same for onion. I'm using red, but you of course could be using a different color. In go my chili. In goes our curry powder. In goes our cumin seeds and those cardamoms. You could be putting a few other bits in here, maybe some dried chili, some bay leaves, some black cardamom, some fennel seeds. You know, the list of whole garam masala goes on and on. Salt to taste. We're going to put that garlic ginger paste in. We're even going to put in our cilantro or coriander right now. And then some oil. I'm using a sunflower oil just to bring it all together. Simply, I'm going to get that spoon and we're going to give that a mix. So what we're going to need is a pot or a wok like I'm using. You're also going to need a lid. Simply, we've got the heat on and we're going to get all of our lovely mixture in. Now, just for a point, if you wanted to leave that for a couple of hours, wonderful. If you could stick that in the fridge overnight, even better. But we're in a rush today. In it goes, the whole lot, everything. So we're going to cook this on a kind of above medium heat. With the lid off, we're just going to be here stir frying it around for about 7 minutes or so. So yeah, you're going to be stirring it quite often. But yeah, super easy. We're nearly done already. Okay, this has been going for about 7 minutes. And as you can see, I've got a load of liquid. That's from your tomatoes, that is. I've used a nice juicy tomato. And we've got those flavours really coming together. If you don't have that liquid in there, don't worry, because we're going to put some water in now. So that chicken, it's only been going 7 minutes, so not cooked, absolutely raw inside, but we've really got it on the go. What we're going to do now is add some water, warm water, or you could be using a chicken stock or something like that. We're going to give this a stir. And just another thought. When we were making that mixture, if you wanted, get some carrots in there, some potatoes in there, something like that. All going at the same time. And you know, normally when I would be making a curry, we'd be doing the whole spices first, then the onions, then the garlic, then the chicken, then the tomatoes with the spices. It's like a process, a layer of processes. But with this, we're just going right in and it's super convenient. So we've got a nice amount of water in there. We're going to get a lid on this. We're going to keep it on a little rolling boil now, not too, you know, too massive. Little rolling boil, depending on how big that you've cut your chicken. My pieces, that's been going 7 minutes already. Let it go for about just another 10 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then, and this is done. Okay, off goes the heat. Let's get this lid off. A lot of steam out of there. It's going to be really, really steamy. And there you go. Beautiful. Nothing to it really. All the work is just at the beginning. If you wanted, you could be putting a little bit of garam masala powder in there, but fantastic, super easy, super easy chicken curry. What was that, 20 minutes I think? Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Check out the website and the Facebook and all that other stuff, there. That's it. See you later. Lots of love.